2025 of part 1. Now let's get started. Send up examination 2025 objective paper. Question number 1. Humanity appeared to be silently yearning for the dawn of enlightenment. For the dawn of enlightenment. Say we have alpha shocking, जिसमें हैरानगी होती है, longing, ख्वाहिश, impressing, मुतासर होना, and humiliating mean ज़िल्लत तमीज़ या disgrace. So the best option is beta. The word yearning means having a deep desire or longing for something. The sentence silently yearning for the dawn of enlightenment shows a strong inner desire which matches the best longing. Question number 2. The Muslim face relentless persecutions. Persecutions, जो अज़ियत होती है ना, that is noun, or relentless is your adjective. Here we have praisings, that is तारीफ करना, harshly, बड़ी बेदर्दी से, this is adverb. And inexorable, unstoppable, ठीक है, जिसमें बहुत ज़्यादा तकलीफ दी जाती है. Pushed, धक्का देना, आगे निकलना. The word relentless means unyielding, unstoppable, or inexorable. In the sentence, the Muslim face relentless persecutions. It indicates persecutions that continued without mercy, बेरहमी के साथ, or pause, which best matches inexorables. Question number 3. Government servants are living in a miserable manner. Manner is your noun and miserable here is an adjective. Praising, तारीफ करना, happy, खुश, healthy, सेहतमंद, and despondent mean gloomy, sad. So the best answer is delta. The word miserable means unhappy, depressed, or despondent. In the sentence, having miserably shows sadness and low spirits, which correctly matches despondent. Question number 4. Pakistan faces immense pressure. बहुत ज़्यादा pressure. Again is noun and immense is your adjective. On its resources and infrastructure. Alpha, dearth, kami, persistence, डट जाना, establishment, क़याम, and immeasurable, लामहदूद, बहुत ज़्यादा. The word immense means extremely great or immeasurable. In the sentence, Pakistan faces immense pressure on its resources and infrastructure. It shows very great pressure, which best matches immeasurable. Answer is delta. Question number 5. These glaciers are crucial for feeding the Indus River. Crucial mean critical, covered, and shamed, शर्मिंदा होना, and drowned, डूब जाना. The word crucial means extremely, बहुत ज़्यादा. Important are essentials. The option critical has the same meaning, so it correctly replaces crucials in the sentence. Question number 6. Daddy listens and clumsily puffing. Here we have happily, खुशी के साथ, awkwardly, that is भौंदे तरीके से, meekly, घबराहट के साथ, and nicely, बड़ी खूबसूरती के साथ. The word clumsily means in an awkward or uncoordinated manner. In the sentence, Daddy listens and clumsily puffing, it shows lack of praise which matches awkwardly. The answer is beta. Question number 7. Agony to look at you. Silence, vigor, torture, and quickly. The word agony means extreme pain or torture. In the expressions agony to look at you, it conveys intense, बहुत शिद्दत का गुस्सा, suffering or distress, which best matches torture. Number 8. And then he drank, drew from a convenient grass. Convenient mean hard, orderly, appealing or appropriate. मुनासिब, वो घास का जो तिनका था जिसके ऊपर कतरा पड़ा हुआ था ना, तो वहाँ से वो बर्ड पी सकता था. Convenient, that is appropriate, suitable. The word convenient in the context means suitable or appropriate. In the sentence, he drank a dew from a convenient grass. It indicates the grass was in a suitable position for drinking, which matches appropriate. Now here we have number 9. The sun does descend and our sports have an end. Here we have students face some confusions with respect to set in, darken, अंधेरा छा जाना, set in, rises, निकलना, and shone, दिखाना. Students, if we have only the word set, then we can choose the beta. But here we have set in, इसका मतलब होता है start होना, शुरू करना. Okay? While descend literally refers to the sun setting. Its connotation in the sentence. The sun does descend, and आपने एक चैप्टर में connotation और denotation के बारे में पढ़ा है ना, तो इस तरह के भी meanings आपको word synonym में आ सकते हैं. And our sports have an end emphasizes the dimming of light. रोशनी कम हो जाती है, अंधेरा हो जाता है. That signals the end of the day. Hence, darken captures the fact or feeling more accurately than set in. Set in को नहीं लेंगे, इसमें in extra है, ये हमारा phrasal verb. तो set in means to begin होता है, शुरू होना. For examples, the winter season has set in. The sun has set in the west. यहाँ पर इन दोनों sentences में ये सूट कर रहा है, लेकिन the sun does descend mean यहाँ पर literal meanings देते हुए उसकी जो connotation है वो ले रहे हैं कि वो अंधेरा छा जाता है. So the best option is alpha. Number 10, we will meditate on things high and edifying. Opposed, मुखालफत करना, ponder, meditate, सोचना, सोच विचार करना, fearful, खौफज़दा, strengthen, मजबूत करना. The word meditate here means to think deeply or ponder. In the sentence, we will meditate on things high and edifying. It indicates careful reflection, सोचेंगे, सोच विचार करेंगे on noble or uplifting matters, which matches ponder. Now here we have the part B, that is short MCQs. How many people arrived in the Punjab after the partitionings? Over 60 lakhs, over 30 lakhs, over 40 lakhs, and over 50 lakhs. This is given in the text, page number 31. And here we have the lesson, unit number 2, responsibility of youth in the nation building. The answer is Delta. Question number 12, that is, which areas are being threatened by the rising sea level in Pakistan? Now, alpha, desert regions, mountainous regions, coastal regions, or urban centers. The answer is Charlie, that is given on page number 84, unit number 5. Question number 13, what did the poetess offer to the bird? A sweet, an oat, a crumb, a millet. Answer is Charlie. Unit number 3, page number 43, mentioned in the poem, a bird came down the walk. Question number 14, what was the temperature recorded in Jacobabad in 2024? And here we have 44, 45, and 52, and 62. The answer is Charlie, 52. Unit number 5, page number 79, mentioned in the text, impact of global warming. Barry enters the room holding a flute, harmony, violin, or mandolins. That is mandolin, an instrument, musical instruments. It is mentioned in page number 201, unit number 14. Now let's have the part C, that is related to correct form of the verbs. Tick the correct form of the verbs. Number 1 is she does not dash any mistakes. Here we have make. The first form is used, the sentence in the present simple tense with the auxiliary does not, which requires the base form of the verbs. Hence, she does not make any mistakes. 17, the teacher dashed the lecture today. It is a bit confusing for the students, not for the teacher. Here we have alpha, will deliver, and has delivered, deliver, and delivering. Future tense with the today. कब होता है इसको ज़रा अंडरस्टैंड करें. फ्यूचर टेंस विल और गोइंग टू यूज़ किया जाता है इसमें टुडे का वर्ड भी इस्तेमाल किया जाता है, बट इट रिक्वायर्स कॉन्टेक्स्ट, उसमें पहले बात की जाती है। और अगर हम ये देखें द टीचर डैश द लेक्चर टुडे, ये कौन सा टाइम है? सुबह के वक्त कह रहे हैं, दोपहर को कह रहे हैं, ये शाम को, किस वक्त ये बात हो रही है? So why? Because today normally refers to the present day and the future tense implies an action that has not yet happened. अगर हम इसी सेंटेंस में कुछ टाइम मेंशन कर दें ना, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई विल मीट द टीचर टुडे एट 4 PM, तब इसमें आपने स्पेसिफिक टाइम मेंशन कर दिया है, तो इसमें विल यूज़ हो सकता है। इसी तरह आपने अगर आज डिलीवर करना है तो यू कैन यूज़ शी इज़ गोइंग टू सबमिट द असाइनमेंट टुडे। इसमें आई विल मीट द टीचर टुडे, इसमें इट इज़ नॉट क्लियर व्हेन टुडे और इफ द डे इज़ ऑलमोस्ट ओवर, इट साउंड्स इनकम्प्लीट। यानी इसमें कॉन्टेक्स्ट होगा ना कि आप ये सेंटेंस किस वक्त बोल रहे हो, तो तब आपका बनेगा। इसी तरह आप कंडीशनल सेंटेंसेस के साथ भी आप बात करते हो, इफ़ वी इनवाइट हिम ही विल कम टुडे, तो फ्यूचर प्लस टुडे इज ओके इफ इट इज स्टिल पॉसिबल विद इन द करंट डे। अब हमें टाइम भी मेंशन नहीं है किस वक्त ये बात हो रही है, सुबह के वक्त, दोपहर के वक्त। देन हमारे पास प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट है विद टुडे। प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट हैज़, हैव, पास्ट पार्टिसिपल्स इज़ वेरी कॉमन विद टुडे, इसके साथ यूज़ किया जाता है। और इसकी रीज़न ये है कि प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कनेक्ट्स द पास्ट एक्शन विद द प्रेजेंट एंड टुडे इज़ अ टाइम period that is not finished yet. अभी वो जो today है is a time period that is not finished yet, so that it can include both past and present relevance. So the perfect choice is present perfect with today. I have met 3 people today. Today is not over, the action happened earlier, ये सुबह के वक्त हुआ है तो ठीक है। She has already submitted her homework today, उसने आज अपना जो होमवर्क है वह सबमिट करा दिया हुआ है, दिस इज ऑल्सो रिलेटेड टू अर्लियर। की डिफरेंस आपने इसमें ये याद रखना है फॉर अ क्लियर अंडरस्टैंडिंग के लिए, फ्यूचर टेंस एक्शन येट टू हैपन, अभी होना है, एंड प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट एक्शन ऑलरेडी हैपन्ड इन अ टाइम पीरियड दैट इज स्टिल ऑन गोइंग, ठीक है, अभी वो काम चल रहा है। समरी इसकी इस तरह यूँ बनेगी कि इफ़ अ सेंटेंस सेज टुडे, थिंक, आप सोचें, if the action already happened, use the present perfect. If the action will happen later, use the future simple but with context. उसके अंदर context का होना ज़रूरी है। जैसे ये देखें, आपने बोला ना I will meet the teacher today at 4 PM, ये यहाँ correct है। Specific time भी उसमें mention किया हुआ है in future के लिए। Secondly, इसमें आप देखें without context, the present perfect is usually justifiable and safer. So the best option is has delivered. The teacher has delivered the lecture today. Question number 18, she dashed to Lahore yesterday. इसमें कोई confusion नहीं है, goes present में है, simple present, has gone present perfect, so went is used with adverb yesterday. Charlie is correct option and Delta will go, ये future का है। The action will happen in the past, ठीक है, action happened है, पास्ट में हुआ yesterday, so we use the simple past. Has gone is present perfect, ये भी नहीं यूज़ हो सकता, unspecified है past tense के लिए, और not with specific past time like yesterday के साथ हम has यूज़ नहीं करते। goes is present simple है और will go is incorrect क्योंकि ये हमारा future के लिए होगा, ठीक है, ये भी नहीं यहाँ पे यूज़ होगा। one who seeks finds, ये एक जनरल ट्रूथ है। फाउंड सेकेंड फॉर्म इज फाइंडिंग, कंटिन्यूस प्रोग्रेस है, हैज़ फाउंड पा चुका है, एंड फाइंड्स इज द बेस्ट ऑप्शन। Here we have finds expresses general principle that is always true. Other options are either past tense or incorrect forms. Last one है जी आपका 20th. He was waiting for me, वो इंतज़ार कर रहा था, when I arrived, एक काम प्रोग्रेस में था, उसमें आपका दूसरा हो गया verb, तो arrived, arrive simple present tense में यूज़ हो सकता है, arise भी simple present में यूज़ हो सकता है, and have arrived is your present perfect, तो ये भी incorrect है। The main clause in past continuous was going, the action that happened during this time, उसी वक्त फिर दूसरा past indefinite हो गया, arrived। Other options are incorrect because arrives, present, and have arrived present perfect cannot be used with a specific past time reference in this sentence. So this is your objective paper, part 1, 2025 send-off exams. I hope you have got the idea about all these MCQs, and if you still have any question, you can put your comment in the comment box and I will explain or upload another video for you. Thank you.